What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make crusted vegan meatloaf infused with vegan feta cheese. So let's get into this video, you guys. Hot. Ooh, it's hot. They're so good. This is so good, y'all. My hair keeps getting in my mouth. Oh my God. Here's all the ingredients that you're going to need to make your meatloaf. Start off by sauteing your peppers, onions, and mushrooms on medium heat in grapeseed oil or the oil of your choice. I did pre-cook mine, so you probably saw it at the beginning of the video. In a large bowl, you're going to add in your Beyond Beef. Add in your chickpeas. Now, I only put a little bit in at a time just because I wanted to make sure that the texture was good, so you will see me add more towards the end. Now, you're going to add in your green peppers and onions mix. Now you're going to add in your nutritional yeast, garlic powder, veggie seasoning, smoked paprika, Italian seasoning, barbecue sauce, and here I'm adding in half of the tomato paste, soy sauce, add in your breadcrumbs, and here I'm only adding a little at a time. You're going to see me add a little bit more. This is only just for the mix. Now I'm going to mix this up really good before I add in more breadcrumbs and tomato paste. And go ahead and preheat your oven on 400 so you'll be ready to pop this right in the oven. Here I'm adding a little bit more breadcrumbs in there and the remaining of the tomato paste. Add in just a little bit more breadcrumbs, and mind you, this is still only half of the cup. The remaining of your chickpeas. And guys, the reason why I did this like that, because I didn't want to add in too much in the beginning and not be able to adjust the ingredients to the right measurements, if you get what I mean. Now we're going to knead this together for a few minutes, making sure all the ingredients are combined, of course, with clean hands. And here you're going to see me adding one more veggie packet, which I did state that I was adding 2 packets. That was only 1 packet in the beginning. I'm adding the other one now because, again, I did not want to add too much too soon. Now we're going to transfer this over to a baking pan. I used an aluminum pan and lined it with foil at the bottom. Now we're going to form a loaf. We're going to make a little pocket in the middle so we can add the feta cheese in there. Sprinkle a little bit of breadcrumbs over the cheese. Now we're going to close in the gap as you see in the video, making sure that the cheese and breadcrumbs are all covered up. Now we're going to add the remaining of the breadcrumbs. And I know, guys, I keep saying add a little bit more, but I promise you this time this is the last of the breadcrumbs. Now we're going to place this in the oven for about 40 minutes. Now that this is done, we're going to remove it from the oven and add your sauce on the top. And I will have the ingredients for the sauce in the description below. After adding your sauce, we're going to place this back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Now this is ready. I'm going to go ahead and cut a slice for you guys so you can see how the meatloaf look with the feta cheese gushing out of it. Ugh. Don't that look delicious? Ooh, you see how that feta cheese gushing out of that meatloaf? Ooh. I'm just showing you guys a top view of the meatloaf. When I tell you it was tasty, woo. Hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. See you next time. Bye.